So hence distance between u and v vertices, it's all length of the shortest u to v path exists. So the previous video we have seen how to define the distance. So once we are able to have this shortest u to v path, then we count the number of edges in it. We say length of the. So when uv path exists, we count the number of edges in it, and that length is said to be the metric, the measure, d of u comma v. So d of u comma v is nothing but a measure between a path u and v. So this measure is only said to be metric. So now we are going to understand. So whenever this u to v path exists, then this is possible only if it is a connected graph, because by the definition of connectedness, a graph is said to be connected when there exists a path in it. Now when there exists a path and supposed to be the shortest path, then the length of that path is going to be our distance. So this distance is otherwise called as metric. Now the following theorem is going to be the important theorem, that is characterization of a bipartite graph. So this is going to give us an important property for any bipartite graph, and this proof will be done by applying the concept of the metric or the distance between the two vertices. Thus we have seen the definition now. So how are we going to prove, or what is the statement of this characterization of a bipartite graph? The characterization of a bipartite graph state that whenever you see a graph G have at least 2 points, is said to be bipartite if and only if its cycles are even length. Our cycles are of even length. This is what the statement about a bipartite graph. This is important statement about a bipartite graph, and this is going to be the important character or a property of a bipartite graph. What is the statement says? Whenever we see a graph G having 2 points at least is found to be a bipartite graph, then definitely this is going to be true. What is it? It will have a cycle such that all of its length are going to be even. So because we see if and only if condition, obviously we are going to assume first part proving the second one, and on the other hand assuming the second part and proving the first one. So how are we going to prove it? So this proof has got 2 steps. Step 1, assuming my LHS, so that to prove that RHS. And what is my second step? Assuming my RHS to prove my LHS. These are the 2 parts of the theorem. So let us see one after the other. So to start with step 1, let me assume my left hand side is true. What is my left hand side statement? As per the statement, I say that graph G is going to be a bipartite graph having at least 2 points. So my left hand side statement is let G be a bipartite graph. Let G be a bipartite graph having at least 2 points. What do I have to prove? I have to prove when it is going to be a cycle having even length. So let us see how are we going to prove it.